Common RV towing mistakes that cause crashes. RV life, it only takes 1 second. A blown tire, a sudden sway, one wrong move, and your trip, your trailer, even your safety are all on the line. Most RV accidents aren't about bad luck. They're about small mistakes that slowly build until disaster strikes. Today, we're uncovering the 11 most common towing mistakes that can destroy an RV adventure and showing you how to stop them before they happen. So buckle up. Let's roll. Improper hitch setup. Your hitch is more than a connection. It's the foundation of your entire towing system. Get it wrong, and everything else fails. An improperly leveled trailer creates dangerous sway, reduces braking power, and compromises steering, especially at highway speeds. The worst cases end in jackknifing, rollovers, or total loss of control. Every trailer and vehicle combination is unique. If you're towing a heavier rig, a weight distribution hitch isn't optional. It's essential. It spreads your trailer's weight evenly across all axles, keeping the front wheels of your tow vehicle firmly planted for better traction and braking. Sway control is equally critical. Many modern hitches include built-in sway systems, but if yours doesn't, install a sway bar. It can save you from dangerous fishtailing during wind gusts or when big trucks pass. Before every trip, torque your hitch bolts and inspect the coupler, pins, and safety latch. 5 minutes of attention could save a life. Proper setup isn't an expense. It's your first line of insurance against disaster. Ignoring actual trailer. Weight towing without knowing your real weight is like flying blind. Many RV owners rely on the manufacturer's dry weight, which only reflects an empty trailer. Once you add propane, food, gear, and water, your trailer can gain 800 to 2,000 extra pounds, often pushing your rig past its safe limit. Two numbers determine safety. Gross trailer weight, GTW. The total loaded weight of your trailer, tongue weight, TW. The downward pressure the trailer puts on your hitch, ideally 10-15% of GTW. If your GTW exceeds your vehicle's towing capacity, or your tongue weight falls outside that safe range, you're at serious risk of sway, axle strain, or brake failure. The solution? Weigh your setup. Visit a certified CAT scale or truck stop. Measure the trailer alone, then with your tow vehicle attached. Record axle weights to ensure even distribution. Loading changes everything. ATVs, water tanks, or camping gear can throw off your balance. Weigh again anytime you pack differently. Guessing kills RVs. Knowing your numbers saves them. Overestimating your tow vehicle's capacity, this is one of the most dangerous and common mistakes RVers make. Drivers often assume that if a truck can pull, it can tow safely. That's not true. Your tow vehicle's limits are defined by two key ratings. Tow rating, the maximum trailer weight your vehicle can pull. Payload capacity, the total weight it can carry. Passengers, cargo and tongue weight combined. A truck rated to tow 7,500 pounds may only have 1,400 pounds of payload capacity. Add passengers, luggage, and 900 pounds of tongue weight, and you're already maxed out. Experienced RVers use the 80% rule. Never tow more than 80% of your vehicle's maximum rating. For an 8,000-pound capacity, aim to tow 6,400 pounds fully loaded. That extra margin makes handling smoother, reduces wear on brakes and transmission, and keeps control during emergencies. Also, consider your vehicle's wheelbase. Short SUVs are far less stable than long bed trucks at the same load. Before you buy a trailer, check your vehicle's actual specs on the door jamb sticker or owner's manual, not the sales pitch. Matching your trailer to your vehicle isn't limiting your adventure. It's ensuring you survive it. Skipping a brake controller if your trailer weighs more than 3,000 pounds. A brake controller isn't optional. It's law in most states and essential everywhere. Without it, your trailer becomes a 5-ton battering ram when you brake, doubling your stopping distance and overloading your vehicle's brakes. That can end in jackknifing, brake fade, or a total loss of control. There are two main types. Time-delayed controllers, simple, inexpensive, but apply braking with a preset force regardless of how hard you press your pedal. Proportional controllers, smarter systems that match your trailer's braking power to your vehicle's deceleration, giving you smooth, balanced stops. Test your setup on flat ground at 20 mph. Adjust the brake gain so the trailer brakes firmly without skidding. Check all wiring connections for corrosion or wear before each trip. Your brake controller isn't just an accessory, it's your best defense against physics. Mismanaging tongue. Tongue weight might sound technical, but it's the heart of towing stability. For safe handling, Your tongue weight should be 10–15% of your fully loaded trailer weight. Too light and your trailer will sway uncontrollably. Too heavy and you'll overload your tow vehicle's rear suspension, reducing steering grip and braking control. Common causes of bad tongue weight include storing heavy gear behind the trailer axles, filling rear water tanks without balancing the load, hitching at the wrong height. You can measure tongue weight using a dedicated scale, about 150–300 or a professional truck scale. Adjust cargo placement accordingly. Move weight forward to increase it, backward to reduce it. Driving too fast when towing. Speed isn't just about obeying the law, it's about respecting physics. Travel trailers are tall, heavy, and aerodynamically clumsy. Even small gusts can turn into violent sway at high speeds. Most trailer tires are rated for 65 mph or less. Exceed that, and heat builds fast, leading to blowouts that can shred your rig in seconds. Your stopping distance also skyrockets. At highway speeds, towing can increase braking distance by 50% or more. The safest towing speeds range between 55–65 mph. Slow down for curves, bad weather, or heavy traffic. Keep extra following distance and resist the urge to keep up with fast-moving cars. Remember, the smartest RVers are never the fastest. Neglecting tire pressure. Tire may seem fine until it explodes. Trailer tires work harder than car tires. They carry heavy shifting loads for hours at a time, and even a 10–15% drop in pressure can cause excessive flexing, heat buildup, and eventual blowout. Underinflated tires are one of the top causes of towing accidents. Always inflate trailer tires to the maximum PSI listed on the sidewall, not your truck's recommended pressure. Trailer tires are designed for those higher loads. Check both your tow vehicle and trailer tires before every travel day and during long drives. Consider installing a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, for real-time alerts on temperature and pressure drops. Check when tires are cold for the most accurate reading. Forgetting to check lug nuts, tiny parts. Massive responsibility. Your lug nuts secure wheels carrying thousands of pounds at highway speed. Road vibration, temperature swings, and rough terrain can slowly loosen them, especially after wheel removal or new installations. Always retorque lug nuts after the first 50–100 miles of travel, then every few hundred miles on longer trips. Use a calibrated torquey wrench, not a tire iron. Most trailers require between 90–120 FTLBs of torque, but always check your owner's manual. Over-tightening is just as dangerous. It stretches wheel studs, causing hidden cracks that can lead to catastrophic wheel loss. A 5-minute torque check before each trip can prevent a nightmare, losing a wheel at highway speed. Towing without proper mirrors. Factory mirrors aren't designed for a trailer 2 to 3 feet wider than your vehicle. Without towing mirrors, your blind spots grow dangerously large, especially during lane changes or merges. Proper towing mirrors extend outward, giving you a clear view down the sides of your trailer and adjacent lanes. You should see about 2 inches of your trailer's edge in each mirror, plus the lane beside you. There are 3 main types: clip-on extensions, cheap and easy for short trips; slide-on mirrors, semi-permanent and more stable; full replacement towing mirrors, best visibility and often power adjustable. Skipping routine, maintenance. Your travel trailer isn't just a passenger, it's a complex machine that needs care. Constant vibration, heavy loads, and exposure to the elements wear down parts faster than you might think. Inspect your brake system regularly. Check wiring, magnets, and brake shoes for wear or corrosion. Test your brake controller response before every trip. Grease your wheel bearings annually or every 12,000 miles. A seized bearing can destroy an axle in minutes. Lack of towing practice. Driving with a trailer isn't like driving your car. It's an entirely different skill. Your trailer tracks inside your turns, meaning it cuts corners tighter than your tow vehicle. Backing up reverses your steering inputs. Turn right, the trailer moves left. If you try learning this in a crowded campground, you're asking for damage. Use your side mirrors, not your rear view mirror, and make small, deliberate steering inputs. Even experienced drivers rely on a spotter when space is tight. That's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom. Practice until handling your trailer feels natural. Chains are your last defense if your hitch fails, and they're often installed wrong. Always cross the chains under the coupler in an X pattern. Make sure the chains have just enough slack for turns without dragging on the road, and secure them with rated hooks or clips, not loops or improvised fasteners. Inspect for rust, cracks, or wear before every trip. records every towing mistake. On this list has caused real crashes, real injuries, and real loss. Check your hitch, weigh your load, slow down, maintain your tires, and never stop learning. Tell us in the comments, what's your #1 towing tip or your biggest mistake you've learned from? And don't miss our next video. It's packed with simple upgrades and life-saving fixes you can do right now to make your RV safer. Until then, stay smart, stay safe, and keep rolling.